Every minute, social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook are collecting vast amounts of your sensitive data. This includes your location, browsing history, contacts, and even your personal messages. Imagine your every move, interest, and conversation being monitored and stored. Creepy, right? Let's dive into how you can take back control of your digital privacy. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: the 5 best digital privacy tips for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Stick around because your online privacy is more important than ever. Let's face it, we're all guilty of oversharing online, especially on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. But what are the risks? From identity theft to targeted scams, the consequences of data breaches are real and potentially devastating. Imagine this: Facebook alone had over 500,000 personal data breaches reported last year. That means 500,000 people had their sensitive information exposed: names, addresses, phone numbers, and even private messages. For the users, this could mean their personal photos and messages falling into the hands of strangers, their identities stolen and used to open fraudulent accounts, or even their locations tracked in real time. Let's take it a step further. Imagine your private pictures, yes, even intimate ones, being stolen. These images can be used for blackmail, revenge, or even sold on dark web markets. The emotional stress, humiliation, and the potential impact on personal and professional lives can be overwhelming. Social media platforms are goldmines for hackers and advertisers alike, making it essential to guard your personal information. Let's not wait until it's too late. Now let's get into the 5 best digital privacy tips specifically for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Set strong passwords. On TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Ditch the obvious choices like password 23 or your pet's name. Instead, use something unique and hard to guess. And don't use the same password across different platforms. Keep them distinct. Adjust privacy settings. For TikTok, head to Privacy and Safety in your settings. Here, you can decide who can see your videos and interact with you. On Instagram, go to Privacy and set your account to private so only approved followers can see your posts. And on Facebook, use the Privacy Checkup feature to control who sees your posts and who can look you up. Enable 2-factor authentication. This is a must-do. On TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, activate 2-factor authentication. This means even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll need a code sent to your phone to access your account. It's an extra layer of protection that's crucial. Be cautious with third-party apps. This one's big. Remember the Cambridge Analytica scandal on Facebook? A seemingly harmless quiz app collected data not just from the users who took the quiz, but also from their friends, affecting millions. On all 3 platforms, review the apps connected to your account. On TikTok, check security and login to see which apps have access. On Instagram, go to Security and then Apps and Websites. On Facebook, it's in Settings under Apps and Websites. Remove any that you don't recognize or no longer use. Don't let a shady app jeopardize your personal data. Think before you post. Here's where it gets real. That cute selfie or vacation snap might seem harmless, but oversharing can be a goldmine for scammers. Avoid posting your home address, phone number, or any financial details. Think twice before sharing personal photos that could be embarrassing or damaging if leaked. Imagine your boss or future employer seeing that wild party pic or your intimate moments. Not so fun now, right? On TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, it's tempting to share everything, but remember, once it's out there, you can't take it back. Keep your personal life personal, and always be mindful of what you're broadcasting to the world. Following these tips will drastically reduce the chances of your personal information being misused. Stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your digital privacy. Implementing these tips isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Imagine reducing your risk of being hacked by over 80% just by tightening your privacy settings on these social media platforms. That's the power of taking control of your digital privacy. You're not just protecting your data, you're securing your peace of mind. Think of it as digital self-defense. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts on digital privacy in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips on protecting your online presence. Stay safe out there.